The content that free AI tools is allowing average people to create is just getting better and better. Today, I've got a niche for you that is an amazing example of what you can create. Even better, there are a ton of ways to put a unique twist on this concept and make your own viral shorts. On top of that, it's proven to be profitable. The best part? You don't need a big budget or fancy tools to tap into it. Stick with me, and I'll show you how to unlock the potential of a truly captivating niche that millions can't get enough of. The niche is visual representations of gods. This is sort of a spin-off on religious niches, but with a new twist that AI really shines in. This channel, Mutated Beings, started just 5 months ago in October of 2024. It has 6 different shorts with over 1 million views, with its best being 3.3 million. In total, this channel has racked up nearly 20 million views. If you look at Social Blade, they estimate that this channel makes as much as $25,000 a month for 5 months of work. Even if your results are only half of that, you've made yourself an amazing faceless income stream. Now, their most popular shorts are based around the concept of powerful or warrior gods for each country. You could go this route, or you could do gods of different mythologies, states, regions, animal gods. The list goes on and on. The wide range of potential topics and the earning potential makes this a really exciting and potentially profitable niche for us to look at. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replicate exactly what Mutated Beings has done with free AI tools. From there, you'll have all the knowledge and tools you need so that you can adjust and alter the process to make your own unique viral shorts. Ready? Let's go! The first step is to gather the image prompts I'll use. I am going to come to ChatGPT for this. Hey ChatGPT, I want to create a YouTube short based around the concept of visualizing countries as warrior gods. Can you give me a list of 25 countries that would be good candidates? Provide a 1-sentence description of what would be interesting or unique about each country's god. I'll leave a link to my free community where I upload all the prompts I used in this video if you want to use this for your own project. Back to it. ChatGPT has given me 25 choices. I want this video to be about 50 to 60 seconds long, so I'm going to pick the 10 most interesting for me personally. You could also use all 25 and rotate through the images faster, or ask for 5 more, and have enough content for 3 shorts of the same look and feel. I'm going to start with Japan. I think this is a cool concept and should be visually interesting. Plus, samurai culture is a popular source of inspiration for many YouTube niches. Once you've picked out the countries you want to continue with, use this prompt. Can I get a in-depth, cinematic, and detailed image prompt for the God of Japan using the preview you gave me above? Repeat this prompt for each country that you want to use in your video. While I finish this process, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you are as excited about this niche as I am. Once you have all your image prompts, it's time to jump over to Leonardo. This generator gives you about 150 tokens a day for free. If you run out or want to create additional images, you can jump to a site like Pixabay for this step. After logging into Leonardo, I'll head to the image creation section. I want to use the Phoenix 1.0 model, and since we have detailed prompts, we'll turn Prompt Enhance off. I'm going to leave the style on dynamic, but this is a good option to experiment with different styles. This will drastically alter the final images you get, and is one way to really make your videos unique. I also want to click on the More button and make sure the aspect ratio is set for 9:16. Once that's done, we'll jump back over to ChatGPT and copy the first of the image prompts. Head back to Leonardo and paste that in the prompt window and hit Generate. If you are on a paid plan, I think it's worth it to generate anywhere from 3 to 5 batches. Some of these images has a random sword stuck in the ground or other weird deformations. Getting more generations just gives you the best chance of getting the perfect image. Once I have my perfect image, I'm going to download that and repeat this process for the rest of the images. Now we'll jump over to Kling.ai. From the main screen, I'll select AI videos. From here, the first thing is to upload the image that you created in Leonardo. Add a brief prompt describing the motion you want to see. I like to keep it fairly simple for short, 5-second generations. You'll often see the character walk toward the camera. I like to use professional mode, 5th second generation, and hit generate. After just a minute, we get something like this. Pretty awesome. I'll repeat this process for each of the 10 different countries in the video. Before I put everything together, I'm going to head over to Pixabay to get some good, free, hype music. You can also do this step after you upload it to YouTube or TikTok. Both have free music libraries. Mutated beings really gave their videos an excited, pumped-up feel. So to replicate that, use some motivational music and some drastic transition effects like camera shakes and crash zooms. Before I show you the final video, make sure to like and subscribe so you see my future videos about viral AI niches and tools. Also, check out my free school community where you can connect with other creators looking to grow AI-driven content niches. With that out of the way, let's check out this video. Simple as that. The only thing to decide is if you're going to something similar to mutated beings, or another something as God's niche to go viral in. Both YouTube and TikTok reward creativity and innovations, so how can you make this niche your own? I'm excited to see what you come up with, and I'll catch you in the next video.